I'm about to install the glass screen protector for my Google Pixel 7 using this amFilm tempered glass screen protector. So I just finished cleaning the phone. I wiped it down with the included wet wipe and about to remove the remaining dust with this sticker that they included in the kit, making sure the screen is pristine as possible. That looks good right there. Now here we go. So just line up the top. And drop it slowly, it says. And then swipe it from the top, going down, it said. Look at that. That's cool. Too bad they didn't include a squeegee. So I gotta use my finger to get rid of the bubbles. But amazingly, done. That was quick. It was easy. There was barely any bubbles. Remove the installation frame that they included. Yeah, looking good. It's got a camera cutout. Some bubbles there. Looks good so far. Now let's see how it fits once I install the phone case. So here I am, all done. I've installed the phone case, the screen protector. Once again, the screen protector is by amFilm and the phone case is by Ghost Tech. It's the covert model in smoke color. And I would say the combination looks really good. Although I would say that the screen protector could be just a bit wider for more coverage on the phone screen. I'd say maybe a millimeter more, maybe a half a millimeter more. Because the phone screen is pretty flat. So there's plenty of more room for the screen protector to go all the way to the edge or closer to the edge. But not too bad. Not too bad. Especially at the bottom. That's at least a millimeter and a half to 2 millimeters from the phone edge or the phone screen edge to the case edge. And there's still plenty of coverage for the phone screen protector to be protected by the phone case. I'd say that's about, I don't know, a millimeter and a half, and that's all the way around. I was worried about that, if there was going to be enough room for the screen protector to be protected. But now my question is answered. That is pretty good. I like it. So I would highly recommend this screen protector phone case combination if you have a Google Pixel 7. The only thing left to do is see how well it lasts, whether it will handle a drop or a scratch. But from the looks of it, if it's a face on drop, I think it should survive the fall, because there's ample protection all the way around. All right, until next time, see ya.